like a down. Like a, what you call it? Like a vlog or something.
Why?
Bumbo clots! Ready. Boy, I don't know how it come out so much. This is a lot. But anyway, cuties, I have this idea, right? I'm gonna run it by you guys before I do it. Hey cuties, hey newbies, good morning. It's a new vlog. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know why I always do that. It's just so fun saying that. Anyway, guys, I miss y'all. Y'all been in the bag all day. Wanna just lock up in the bag all day. But my favorite some soap, some chicken foot, and some cow foot, some cow skin. But I never buy a cow skin here yet, so me have to try figure out where am I gonna get that from. That is my problem. But yeah, how y'all been? Everybody good? Everybody alright? I sure hope so. It's been a blessed morning. I'm telling you guys, everything been so productive, everything going so good. The vlog export, everything is just so perfect today. Right? Love that. Thank God for that. Now I'll stop at the bank real quick. I don't know why my drive coming here, so always do. It is so freaking tiny. It is like, what the fuck is that? Oh, it got a freaking thing on the front. Oh wow. A good thing I never carry me a drive. I look crazy. Listen, I had to take out the earring. Keep on a sore that easier. Like, I don't know why it sore one ears and don't sore the next. Not make no sense to me. But when I was in New York, this felt like it was about to burst. So I have to just take it out and I'm not wearing the earring for a couple of days. I have to see if I feel like it have a cut. The cut won't eat. You know what I mean? We have to start use the AC now. I don't like that. I don't like that for me. I don't like to eat people. I don't like to eat none at all. I sweat easily. Like my whole body. Every whip on me a strip. Like I don't understand why. But anyway, cuties, I have this idea, right? I'm gonna run it by you guys before I do it. So, basically YouTube I tell me so now watch the video fully. No, I ask you already if you can manage a full long video, you know. I ask you no. I wanna say yes. No. The video them now watch. The video them a drop off. Them when I watch them, then drop off. Or skip and then watch. When now watch the thing if it goes so. Like the African vlog them, it goes so straight up. That was so crazy. That was. And then these videos them go up down, then them go up and down. So what do I want me to do? Because I need enough to watch the full video. I need you guys to watch the entire vlog. Okay? I'm gonna figure out what is the problem. Is the video them too long? Well, it make me know like I have to know the majority think. No, I understand some not for only in your way. Like me sit down and watch an hour or 2 hour vlog. If the video good, I will watch it because it's just like watching. It's just fun to me for the vlog. It's fun for me watch it and it's fun for me do it. No, when me edit, when me finish vlog a week time, I have like 5 hour water content. Literally 4 or 5 hours. Especially if I have a busy week, 4 or 5 hour worth of content. And then I have to take that 4 or 5 hour and I have to break it down into an hour. Is the best me can do. Like, me don't know how to break it down to half an hour. Me don't know how. Because literally, the whole of the content gone. It don't make no sense to me. It don't make no sense. So what I think now, if you want me to make half an hour video, and me know no will watch the half an hour video straight, that is nothing for it. But I think you blink half an hour vlog done. So what I'm thinking is, if I post half an hour today, half an hour tomorrow, would that be okay? Would that be better for you guys for me get an impressive click-through rate? Like, show me say, yes, they're watching the video. Like, the analysts are showing say, yes, this video I watch from beginning to end. Would you guys rather me do that? Or continue posting the hour-long video and just see where it goes from there? Because if you get a half an hour video alone out of my week, that's nothing. That's literally like sit on your son talk to no 10-15 minutes gone already. We can never cook in a half hour video. We can, unless we just start showing and say, oh, me done cook, or showing to say this is what I'm cooking. But cooking in a half an hour, that's a no. Showing me going out or doing daily life stuff in a half an hour vlog is a no. You know what I mean? So it's either it's gonna stay at the hour and you guys are going to please try and watch the full video, or and me post 2 times a week, or I can post half an hour on Sunday, half an hour Monday, and then watch the full thing. Get me? Let me know. I don't know if that make much sense, but anyway, it is what it is. You know what I mean? I go into the bank here and get some deal with them people here partner. Is it time? I told them 2 o'clock. Excuse me. But tell them to me I got the bank 2 o'clock. It's not 2 o'clock yet. Let me show you something. May I edit right now, right? I have been editing this vlog for the past 2, but that's because I was in New York having some fun. Damn. So this is me I try cut out a hole. I'll go back. See what this I say right here? I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, hold on. Let me turn it around. This is the video we may edit now. You see how much hour there, sir? 3 hours and 21 minutes 36 seconds. That is what left. Okay? And believe it, say me cut out the month me cut out already. Me not reach far yet, but I'm in the process of editing. And I cut out at least an hour out at the beginning of it already. Most of the parties and stuff like that. Right here, so me edit. I show now some clothes. At this point, I feel like say, for me showing all of the clothes them, my halfie go only end the video right when me done the clothes. You understand me? Cause all me I go get half an hour alone out of the whole of the vlog here. Or me I get half an hour out of 3 hour worth of vlog. That mean I don't know, it don't make no sense your vlogs. That mean it don't make no sense you do all of this vlogging, you know what I mean? I don't know. Yeah, but I'm not doing this for me watch it. I do this for Uno watch it. Because without Uno watch it, it don't make no sense on my side. You know? It don't make absolutely no sense. So me cannot do what please me. I really want to know your opinion on how to fix the situation. How to get to know for watch the full hour video, or you want me to make the 2 half an hour video. Please answer me down in the comment, because I can't fix the problem if you not help me. And we not gonna get better if you not tell me what to do. If me not fix the problem, we won't get better. And if me can't fix the problem if you not tell me what to do. That makes sense? Yeah. I wanna get it. Y'all are so smart people. Y'all get it. Y'all get it. Okay? So let me know. Just really make me know. Or make me know what I need to do another video for no continue watch it straight. Our next thing is maybe me need to take out the food video them and make food video by itself. Because if I do that, if me take out the food video them, we can have one 40 minute vlog without the food. You understand? I can do that. And then we just put the food video them in a just cooking steam fish by itself. Would only see me a cook. That would be, that's actually, I think that would definitely be better. What do you think? What do you think? Can you make me know down in the comment? Help me, man. Help me. Help me. Make me help we. Because me can't do it by myself. I cannot. Alright, bang. I'm going to go to the back. I soon come back. Ah! Spot tight. Ooh. Take your time, girl. So this hot car behind me. Pretty. Listen. Anyway. Anywho, I had the best time ever in New York. I had the time of my life. It was so fun. I can definitely say that was one of my best trip. It was definitely one of my best trip. And I can also take a couple things off my bucket list. Like, it wowed me. It literally wowed me. I can't believe it. Like, I know me see Times Square on TV all the time. But for some reason, I did not know it was that big. I didn't know it was like a whole block and down that road and down that road. It was so like breathtaking. It was breathtaking. When me see it, even my friend them I say, if we'd catch your expression when you saw the thing for the first time, the lights and the buildings and the billboards and the people, the excitement, it was just so much excitement, and like excitement in a fun way. It's like it feels something, you know. It did. But I hope y'all enjoyed that vlog. I hope y'all make sure y'all like it, comment on it, subscribe if you did not. But yeah, that was a good trip. That was a great trip. Anyway, I'm gonna find some cow skin. That's the only thing I'm worried about, is this cow skin, because I never buy it here yet. I don't know where it there. So I'm gonna look it. Okay? New York! Concrete jungles. Hey, I hear that song like 100 times. It is stuck in my head. Every minute the people them sing that song, like everything you do, every single thing you do, people them sing New York. Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. I did not know that 95% of the people them live in Manhattan is millionaire. I learned that yesterday. Out of every 20 people, basically, what did he say? It's like out of every 20 people, 17 of them is millionaire. That's crazy. That is freaking crazy, okay? To live in Manhattan. But then again, it's expected. That place is expensive as shit. I can only imagine how much money for pay monthly. If you even own the place, the mortgage is crazy. If it's rent, the rent is crazy. If you're not paying mortgage, the upkeep, the maintenance on those places, it's crazy. Okay. Yo. Ooh, let's go. Hey, you guys sell cow foot? Cow skin? Yeah?
Courtney!
Hi, Courtney. You have cow skin? Oh, yeah, you do. Cow skin.
Cow skin? Said me have cow skin?
Yeah.
No, just firewood in the bag.
I want urine. Urine can't go in my soup.
What you say? You know how rich that would be?
Is it the smoked cow skin?
Yeah.
It is good. Perfect.
Yeah.
You can cut them up for me, though?
Them cut up already, you know.
Yeah?
But we can't go no smaller because them think they jumpy when you have.
Alright. Okay. That's okay.
How much you want? 1 pound?
Let me see your 1 pound look. I want some chicken foot too. Yeah?
Same like one.
Can't find a video, you know.
Should be around here.
That should be good for some soup, right?
Yeah, man.
Give me a pound and a half.
Don't put none of that.
Yeah. Thank you. Ooh, we got cow skin. Perfect. All right.
Stop it, huh?
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in my
colors. As N on Earth. You're gonna do that, right? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna watch your house. You have a house? Run with that. Hey, Mr. Social media.
Like what you call it? Like a vlog or something.
Why? Bumbleclot! Shit, man! Oh my god. From the ear, it dropped and it broke. Hey cuties, hey newbies, welcome and welcome back to the vlog. It is not a new vlog, I don't think it is, but if it is, welcome. Anyway, I haven't spoken to you guys in I think it's like a day. I brought my camera on Monday. Today is Wednesday. So I just yesterday alone I talked to them about my I miss you guys so much. Anyway, cuties, I brought my camera. Drop off at the counter and broke. But luckily, I have insurance on it. So, is this turn on? Nothing knock up on the screen. The screen gone. But me have insurance, so I'm about to drop it off right now. And I think they said they're gonna take like a week, the most, for me get it back. But yeah, that's the sad news. It mash up so easily too. One drop. But anyway, I'm about to do that, so let's go get that done. Now this teeth in place, so you have to pay for everything. You have to pay for tape. You have to pay. Let me take them sitting at my bag. Them too heavy. Guys, walling up like this. I remember the days. Them days they gone. And then come right back. I tell you, I hate holding this phone up. I try putting up on the tripod here and then come right back, alright? Crazy. Do I have a camera? Because I don't want my girl to live with me. When I tell them to say me get lucky. I don't even remember signing up for insurance. But it's a good thing because no, me not have to pay. Me not have to pay for shipping. They handle everything. Them just send you one shipping code thing, and then you just use that, scan it, and that's it. Except me pay $30 for express. That's it. But other than that, everything free. Oh shit, man, I forgot to use the phone, guys, because the email would then send me the invite. Alright, so we'll come back again. And 35, no, I lied. $15 later. Yeah, so they'll charge me $15 for print the label and package it. What's the best? What?
Can I be in the vlog?
What you gonna do?
Say hi. Hi. What's up?
Oh my god. Cute kids, you want to get them one like a bomber clot. Full blown white pity, them with them no bomber clot. Anywho. What I'm about to do right now? I'm gonna go to the supermarket and get some stuff to make some green juice because I've never felt so bloated in my life. What's wrong on ya? When I say I feel bloated, I don't know if I try to go to the doctor today, them tell me how much in pound. I'm embarrassed to say it right now. The number too high, man, too high. So I'm going to go get some stuff to make some green juice. And I will juice for 3 days and then I will start my diet. Me only are telling them because I want myself responsible. You know what I mean? When I tell people, it's like they push you to do it. So yeah, that's what's about to happen. So I'll see you guys soon.
Welcome welcome to Stop and Shop. We hope you enjoy your visit with us today. This area is being recorded by video surveillance for your safety and security.
Oh no way. Anyway guys, we're here at Stop and Shop. We better get some. Oh, we can go through this one. Sun out here. No, no. So I'm gonna buy five green apples. And
I don't really know what was the ring.
I'm gonna buy five. Five should be good. So I buy five
Let's see a different thing I hear from.
So I'm missing celery and ginger. Where is that? I'll get two of them just in case. And me alone never eaten all them something yet. Oh my god, I don't even want to think about tasting it. Oh. Come on. Where's the ginger? It's probably way over there. I'm not really sure what it's about. I don't think a ginger at all. A ginger cousin. Or a ginger long last friend. But they make no look smell. Yeah, they smell. They have look smelling at them. I love ginger and so I don't put enough in there. It should be good. Definitely need a bag of this. I really don't want to hold it in my hand and see it, you know? Like, what the hell is this? This is crazy.
And they might say them can't show you the physical thing.
That me go over to ask her now because he might tell me say he can't take it out show me. But which color though? I mean like the purple or the orange? Which one you like better? This looks like orange.
Shut it up.
I think you should like the orange or the cream. The cream look. Is this cream or silver?
Purple and orange shot more than that.
More than this?
Yeah.
The orange color unique. You go see. If them have this over there. Oh. Ready.
Aren't they pretty?
I know.
It's gonna ask thanks. No thanks. There you go. This matches you in your clothes. You want a bag?
Yes, please.
I don't like that when I'm Apple and I try to.
Oh. You too. Okay, baby girl. What's up, cuties, newbies? Welcome back to the vlog. I mean, it's the same vlog. I never bother edit. I never even edit. I didn't vlog yesterday after the what they call it. We go pick up the medication and then I chat foolishness. I never bother nothing after that. Anyway, guys, I'm heading to Burlington. I don't know if I made a vlog it yesterday when I buy the Apple headphone for Tisha. Burlington, that way. So I did that because I'm trying to make a I'm proud of you basket for my daughter because she has been doing magnificent. She's just taking on life. Like, you know, I don't know how to explain it. She's just doing so good. She's doing so good, and that's the reason why I'm the type of person who I'm not very good with words. Like, I'll say I'm proud, but to me it need more. You know, like, proud is not the word I'm feeling right now. It is more. So whenever I'm in that type of mood, I feel like I just need to do something special for her. And I always like pack a basket or just buy her something I know say she want or deserve, you know. So right now she has been doing awesome, like with school and work and just life itself and being a teenager, and you know, the whole taking on this world and she doing it by herself. Like I am here as like moral support and mom, but this little girl don't ask for nothing. She don't ask for help for nothing. She just went the other day and get a whole 30,000 scholarship on her own. She's just so independent, you know what I mean? Like she don't need me for nothing at all for her. Nothing. She just, I don't know. She's just awesome, great. She just fabulous, you know. So I am gonna get her I'm proud of you gift. I got the thing yesterday, which I never know, so that's they're expensive, but because I know that's something she would love. I don't hear she talk about it or nothing, but I just know all her stuff them are Apple product. She love Apple stuff like every other damn teenager. So I thought, you know, what better gift to give her than the new Apple headphones. Cost me almost $600 friggin' dollars, but it's okay. It's my baby and she deserves it. Plus, me they plan to spend like maybe $700, make the whole basket. That alone take up the whole of the money. That alone done the money. So me that plan to go pink and get some little stuff like a tight suit, like robes, nighty, you know, pink stuff from Pink, because she loved that store there. So I'm just gonna go to Burlington because the money done. So me gonna go to Burlington and me gonna grab some little stuff, whatever color, because the color when I buy the pinkish peach headphone, we get one case sweet as well. Stay in your lane, man. Yeah, me get one phone case sweet. So I'm just gonna get some other stuff where match it, you know, even if it don't match it. Something, I don't know, I'm gonna find something. But Cuties, man, I gotta tell you, the phone here move kind of weird, you know. It a move slowish, very slow. Alright, Ken, we don't come for I go. Get where you come from and go. These are giving the color. What is this? This is cute. I could put this in there. This is very pretty, probably trash. I'm gonna get that one. You know what I think? I make her a basket. I made her a basket sometime the other day. And I swear to God it was this color, it was pink. I made her a full pink basket. I wonder if we can use the same basket. What do you think? Cause she not dash the basket them when we make them, you know. She empty them, but she pack up the basket them somewhere. So I'm wondering if we can go in her room and thief. Ooh, these are eye stuff. Yes, this is good. We could do this. That's $3 something for that. Let's see if we can stay on that $100. Right? So we took up already one of $4 something and one of $3 something. Do we got any face stuff? What is this? Body polish. This look good. $7. I wonder if it smells good. I don't know. Can't open it. They said the phone I move slow. Oh my god, somebody burst this. It smells good though. Oh my god, it smells so good. Wow. This stuff for $6. You might as well get the one with 2 in it. This is so pretty. Alright? The phone I got free code for me, no, I know. I gotta hurry up. This pretty, but an unsoap. I don't think she need this. She don't need an unsoap plus the color now give her at all. What is this? This is cute. Makeup eraser. What? One side erase makeup on one side exfoliate skin. We're gonna get this, and this is only $6. How much is it? I'm gonna get this. She love these. I'm gonna get one of this. I wanna get this, but it looks like somebody open it and pull a couple out. Like it's a set of 5. I don't know. Alright, let's move from around here, so. I'm wearing my friend. This is son that died. So sad. So sad. But yeah. Alright guys, the phone is really freaking out, so I'm gonna save the little energy we have until me actually unpack the basket. Alright? Me soon when me get out of here. Hey Cuties, I am home. I just show now there in the basket. I show now I'm going to use to pack the basket because the camera you know give me no whole heap of time. The phone it'll do too much. This is mine. Never mind that. So I got these slippers, so cute. These were for $17.99. Cute, right? Love that. Then I got some socks. I got a pack of socks for $6.99. We get this like face razor. Let me turn it off. I don't know why you're not there. I got this face razor thing. It's like, you know, for shave off the little fuzz them when you have ears. So I got them and she have them too. So she always shave them. I got her these. Not that we need them because nothing at the house, but it's so pretty. It match the whole aesthetic, you know. So like, why not? Can't too much anyway. And of course, I never pack a basket for her yet and not pack makeup wipes. You need wipes. That's a must. But for this and think, ooh, she would love this. It's caramel. It's caramel corn. Oh fuck. It is caramel corn. It is. But popcorn, yeah. And then we're going to 5 and below and make them look at candy. Oh, me show them already. Then we got this bag. Blanket, my weird pack a blanket in every basket. Don't know why. But I got the blanket for $12.99. Thick, nice. So nice. The material. Love that. Oh, by the way, the wipes was for $4.99. Them here, $3.99. I have one more slippers. One Calvin Klein. So cute. On sale. Big red mark. I said, wait, how much for this? It is $19.79. Cute, right? So pretty. Simple. Camera stop again. And I got this for, you know, clean your face or whatever. Cotton for $4.99. I saw these two little shorts. Like little nighty shorts. Yeah. And this one have the name on the back. And I got both of them for $14.99. And this is our favorite roll-on, so I got two. One is for $5.49. I got two of those. I got these one a day, woman. My mom said they're not good, but I don't know why. I have to sit down. I can't take a cock up my foot, so I can't bother with that. I can't bother with that. I feel like my back hurt me. I have to lose some weight, guys. I just feel heavy. Feel so heavy, like I can't breathe, like I can't move. Okay, I got this one a day. For woman, it's $4.99. I don't know if it's good, but it won't hurt if you take it, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna get one of them icy pack here where you rub on your face. Y'all know this. You put it in the freezer, it freezes up, and then you rub it underneath your eye, you rub on your face, you know, all over. I see it all over the internet. I don't know if it's good. Yeah, it's called an ice rolling tube. And I got this for $5.99. The one of the pill them was for $4.99. And you guys saw when I got this eye patch, $3.99. This, I'm gonna leave that one for last. I got her this. She's always using these, so she could use a new one. I got this for $3.99 as well. A cup, I got one for myself the other day and she loved it. Keep on, I use it, so I get her one. And I got this is in 5 and below for like 5 something. I got lip gloss. I got lip gloss like for $4.99. I guess it's like chapstick type thing. Alright. And I got this. I saw this and I'm like, is this for real? Isn't this the cutest little thing? I don't want to open it, but one last store and try them. So it's like this tiny. Anytime I bend over my back hurt me. I don't know if it's how I'm sitting. What am I doing? So it's this little tiny flat iron and then this little mini curler. So it's perfect for traveling, you know. It have a little comb inside it. It have a little curler. It have a little. This is just cute. I hope this work. I really hope this work. If it doesn't, I'm gonna get me one. Even though I'm not gonna have a coat here, but this makes sense. This make a lot of sense. And I got this for $14.99. $15. And of course, I already know some of the ear max, the earpod max for iPhone. Why did I say iPhone? And but it's this and it matches it, right? So I'm just like, let me get this too. That's it. I'm gonna pack the bag. And remember telling you I'm gonna pack one basket gear in the other day, about a couple months ago. I don't remember if it was Valentine, but I pack her a basket and we end up use pink. Yeah, I always use pink. Don't know why. But when I take out the basket, since even that the place is the same pink basket, so I'm like, why buy a new basket when she have the whole of the basket and pack up around there? So I'm gonna come and find it clean and just stash away. So I'm gonna use it instead of buying none. So I'm gonna pack it and come back.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We're gonna light it up now.
This is the best I can do. This is the best. By the time she see this, she no business with the rest of the basket. Guarantee you. This can't hold at all, but that's okay. I can just rest it like somewhere. I'm gonna show y'all the back. Hold on a minute. We have these to the side. Push you so. And then we have the back. With all the goodies. Oh. And it's so cute. It's so pretty. I love it. I stuffed this bitch. Heavy? Oh my god, let me put the balloon in on it. I have 4 balloons. I got a proud of you. This one right here, it's nothing, it's just that look cute. And that says congrats, because of course y'all know she just got her scholarship for her cosmetology school, which I'm very, very proud of, because who did I get 30 grand from? Why cosmetology school cost so much? Why? No, me see why the girls them out here be charging so much money, because why do y'all need to charge so much money for people, for teaching people for the year? Okay, so it's more than teaching people for the year. Okay, I'm sorry. I take that back. But yeah, she just got accepted. She starts school already, about 3 weeks now. And she literally just got the whole scholarship on her own, you know. All she needed me to do was just cross some T's and dot some I's. That girl is just so, when I say independent, listen, don't play my baby. Don't play with her. So yeah, and I got this one that says, thanks for being a nice human, which she is such a pootie. She's such a cutie patootie. Okay, let me hold you. Very nice. We did a plan for make the juice them tonight, but that not got happen again. It's late now. It's 10:09. She just called me. She finished up the last year. So me I just put it in her bed, you know? And then me I go edit. I'm gonna talk to Uno tomorrow. Bye. Guys. Hey cuties, I'm not sure if this is a new vlog or it's an old vlog, but either way, welcome back guys. welcome. Happy Monday. It's Monday. I haven't been vlogging, guys. I have not been vlogging at all because the camera not come yet. And we can't really do nothing much with the phone. You know when you get used to a thing? Like me get so used to... Come on, man. Yeah, like... I get so used to the camera when I just can't walk around the phone, and then the phone need the light, and the light big and bright and can't go everywhere. You know, everybody know what. It's just so obvious when you have vlog places with it. So I just say I'm go and wait until the camera come, which I think it'll come today. I hope to reach home and the camera there, but it's not. So I guess we'll probably go wait another week or so on it. Hopefully not, because I don't have no vlog for post for next week. Nothing. But I have this week already upload and schedule for go out. But next week everything is on the thumb drive. Say thumb drive. Everything is on the memory card, and I can't upload it to the tablet without the memory card. So kind of worried, because me then should I start editing ready for Wednesday, you feel me? But anyway, we're supposed to make some juice from, try to get one good angle. We're supposed to make some juice, some green juice. I buy the stuff them I have them in the fridge, but I think me don't get my camera for deal with it good, but no. And I have some little bottle, like I do the juice in already. I'm going to buy some about 12 little bottles like this. Juice them and pile them out in the fridge. I can't find not even one. I search on the whole house. Why would I throw them bottles? I feel like I put them somewhere and hide them. And don't know where I hide them. Yeah. That's why I'm 28 and I just pack my things. Because me a girl, I don't like seeing nothing out of place. I like everything in that own little corner. Everything for your own little spot, you know. So I just feel like say me pocket now and corner, I don't remember where. Look the whole up this already, you know. But nevertheless, guys, I'm gonna never juice it because I need it. We have some celery. I don't think I will put no kiwi in them. I think that I just to eat. We have the ginger. We have the lemon. Cucumber. More celery. Green apple. And you know, so I never have one drop. I want to kind of sign. We'll never mix the juice with that. I could have put it in like that and put it in the fridge. Tisha, do the thing properly. Give me. And use knife.
That man said she move like she crippled, bro.
I don't know how to use a knife.
I'm gonna peel it for you.
Hey, yo. Don't tell them.
We have mush man and peel it for you.
None.
The mush man and peel it for you.
What is that sign? What did it there?
So you're going like you don't know what to peel.
By the time you're done, you waste all of the kiwi. Tin. Listen. You know what the candy parents? Yes, anything right now.
Beef and dumpling, yeah.
This is beef and dumpling. A nice done? I feel like this is not right. You think so? Yeah, like this is so hard. Let me see. Give me.
I see you now feel something.
too delicate, girl.
You're too demure.
You're too demure. This looks like Joe for me, man.
Yo, I don't know what. Yo, I don't know what flavor I made last night. I'm just feel red. I'm feel for June from last night, bro. I don't know what.
You green? It's not.
I chew your taste is something sweet, however, I'm gonna make it fresh.
It's good. It's firm. It's not soft and plaka. Boy, I don't know how it come out so much. This is a lot. I mean, okay, so I have everything in here, guys. The cucumber, the lime, them, but also juice them same way, so. The celery, the green apple. I have ginger in here. Maybe I'm gonna put some more ginger on it. And yeah, that is that. I will just juice them in this. And yeah, I feel like I'm gonna put the rest of this in it because them ginger you not smell like ginger at all. So I'm gonna put them in there. Y'all see this mess? Why? Oh my god, look at this, guys. Look at that. Yo! Crazy. Look how the skin come out, voila. What the hell? Oh, you go through that. The things are fine. They may feel like I could have juice them again. It feel like enough juice in it. You see that? I feel like I could have put in a what? I don't have time for that. I'll show this backside. Plus, me get like a big bowl. That's a lot.
This guy use look more ginger. So what, let me just try? Yeah.